Alrighty guys, welcome back. So we are now, this is going to be part 2 of this video where we actually are going to reinstall this quarter glass. As you can tell, the body shop did an amazing job by having to, of course, prep and paint everything properly. I haven't done any cutouts, I haven't done anything whatsoever here. All the urethane there, I'm going to show you guys exactly like how I prep everything. First things first, so of course I have this pretty clean microfiber towel. We're gonna go ahead and just go to the body really quick. As you guys can tell, it's not too dirty, but I'm still gonna clean it anyways. Here we go. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the towel. Cool. So the whole reason why I'm cleaning it now is because, of course, we're gonna go ahead and move forward with a fresh cut. Okay, what is that, you may ask? Well, just remember this, okay? Whenever you cut the adhesive, like when you prep it really good and of course you cut it afterwards, new urethane and fresh cut urethane will always be your best bond. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Alrighty, just want to grab my blower really fast. Cool. Same thing goes for, of course, the glass. So originally we were gonna move forward with using the factory clips, but unfortunately the body shop didn't order them, or they weren't expecting the vehicle to be ready on time. I was going to, of course, use double-sided tape, but I actually ended up using all the double-sided tape on the previous vehicles right before right before this one. So I need to go to my nearest supply store and purchase some. So here we go. And as you guys can tell, I already even marked them. I already had drawn out where the clip's supposed to be. But unfortunately we ran out of material. I was not expecting to install this quarter glass right now, but you know, they said, hey, well, now that you're here, might as well install it. I said, okay, cool. Here we go. So the glass is also fully clean. As you guys can tell, there's no dirt or anything like that. Exact same way here, there's no dirt. So we're gonna go ahead and just, of course, cut both of them out. Okay, you know, let's go with this guy. Yeah, we'll go with this one. Cool. All right, so we're gonna start out with our cut. Just be really careful. You don't want to leave any scratches or any damages anywhere. You always want to leave approximately about 2 millimeters or so worth of adhesive. Here we go. Cool. You don't want to leave any damages. Go ahead and just cut it. I'll pick it up right now, right after. The goal for me here is to try to cut it without leaving any damages, or as well as not having to use any primer, since it's going to be, of course, a fresh cut. There we go. There you go. Perfect. As you can see, there's no damages anywhere. So because of that, it's not going to require me to apply any kind of adhesion promoter or any primer onto the body. So we're going to do the same here. Okay, I don't want to get the glass dirty since I just cleaned this. We'll put a towel here because I like to put my elbow so that way the glass doesn't move. So question for you guys: since this vehicle is going to be assembled already and it's going to be washed within the next hour or two, what adhesive do you think I should use? Should I use our Sika P2G Plus, or should I use the Ultimate? What do you guys think? Once again here, about 2 millimeters left of adhesive. So here the good thing is that we don't have to do any extra about adding any adhesion promoters or any primers. Well, if you answered 30-minute product, primerless from Sika, this is the Sika Ultimate. This is what we're going to be using. I have a little extra from my last previous job. This thing is amazing, guys. If you guys haven't tried it out, let me know if you are in the United States or in California, because that's where I'm at. I'm in California. I can find one of our reps can actually go ahead and get you some material. We'll get some material sent over your way if you're interested in using the product. Alrighty, why aren't you working, man? Here we go. Can you guys hear that? Here you go, look at it. That's cool. All right, cool. Here we go. We just used P2G Plus on another vehicle we just got done with. By the way, I have so many tips here because I don't like to reuse these all the time. But here we go. Getting a call. Okay, well, they can wait. Perfect. Here we go. Try to keep it at 90 degrees at all times. You have to be very careful because this one does not require any moldings. So we want to make sure that the urethane doesn't gunk out the inside. So as you guys can see, I'm applying the adhesive, but I'm applying it closer to the top portion. Here we go. Cool. Here we go. I'm turning it inwards. Perfect. Here we go. Yes, I had enough of this one. I know a lot of people like using the like these bone sticks right here when they're, you know, when they're fixing the urethane, the adhesive. I like to use popsicle sticks. The reason for that's because I don't know how often I'm cleaning those the bone, or like the sticks, and I feel like one of them might have had like some kind of maybe a lubricant or something if I'm using it for like a different tool. It's really hard, especially when you have like multiple of them and someone in your team grabs it and doesn't put it in the correct place. Now it's mixed. So what we ended up doing is we just bought a bunch of popsicle sticks, and we got them at Michael's, that store Michael's, in case you're interested. And we bought, I think we bought like 10,000 of them for like $200. And it sounds like a waste. It sounds like, you know, well, why don't you just keep reusing the bones and cleaning them with alcohol? Well, I don't know if it's going to compromise the adhesive, so what I'd rather use is popsicle sticks and just throw them out and just feel safe and just feel okay about it. So normally we would put tape on the glass, but in this situation I'm going to go ahead and put it here on the body, just like this. Cool, just like that. Okay, cool. You ready? Let's get it. These power cups are pretty cool. In case you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll go ahead and get you guys a price for this. Okay, cool. And here we go. Oh man, this feels so nice. You know, I really love the Sika line of products. DuPont has really good products as well. Someday I'll probably end up trying the SRP just to try it. I don't think I'll switch adhesives, not for any reason. You know, all the adhesive manufacturers they're really good. But if I can say one thing I do wish would be if getting another call. Okay, one of the things I do wish is if I could have the exact same kind of viscosity from the Ultimate to the P2G Plus. That would be so nice. The reason I say P2G Plus is because, of course, like I said, we do a lot of body shops, or a lot of vehicles are always dropped off at our shop location. So what tends to help is, you know, the vehicle can actually sit there for a long time and I don't have to worry about moving it right away. Oh, anywho, so look, I always like comparing it to the opposite side, so I kind of calculate, of course, like my gaps, my distance and all that. Perfect, and that looks really good to me. One more thing I am going to do, I don't know why I put my tape away. So normally that would be fine, just to leave those two tapes, but I like to put this extra one right here so that way the glass isn't shifting all over the place, because especially this one, you know, it's stock suspension, but these are very aggressive, you know, when they're starting to move, especially here on the lot. The last thing I need is for the glass to move all over the place. Since we did, of course, use the Ultimate product, just needs 30 minutes. It's gonna sit here for just a little while. They're gonna put it together, assemble it, and that's it. Well, I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'm gonna assemble the rest of it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.